Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to include friends in Bereal. Very simple way. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video. First we dive on Chrome browser and search Bereal login and tap on second option and you can see tap on search bar and you can see the pupil icon and tap on and you can see your friend is here and you will easy to include your friends in your friend list. So guys, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press bell icon for new updates. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.